What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something a little cool, something for the people that travel, something for the people that go out on sporting events or just be outside in general. All right. Right here, we have compressed towels. So with them being compressed, they obviously expand, or they should expand. We will test that out in this video right here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So here goes the bag. Y'all can see everything, and y'all probably stumbled across the video because y'all want to see what it looks like or how it operates and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open it. This is not going to be a long video, you guys. This is a simple product. My wife actually want to try these, so right here you get 100 of them, and I will put them back. I'm obviously not going to count all of them. But I want to get this here because you're supposed to, I believe, put water in it, and that's the only way they expand. So we have directions. We know exactly what we are doing. 100 piece with a mini water carrying case. Okay, you know we need the water carrying case. It says just add water and unfold. You can wipe anytime, anywhere. Keep in a dry place with the provided storage bags sealed. Please dispose of used towels responsibly. Do not throw them into toilet. Whew, that might be the big one right there. It says do not put down your toilet, you guys. All right. So these are probably as strong as like baby wipes and stuff like that. As you know, you're not supposed to put down baby wipes in the toilet. I wouldn't even put flushable wipes in the toilet, but we could get into that in a different video. But anyways, so we will comply to what the instructions say. Oh, so that cracks right open like that. So we cracked the seal, you guys. We are the first ones to use this water cup right here. Okay, so this is like, you can wrap it around your belt or something that you can wrap it around. Maybe you have a key chain or something you want to wrap this around, or your book bag. You might want to wrap this on your book bag strap. This is a strap right here to wrap it. We'll put the towel in here. Where did I open it? I just opened one, right? Oh, in my hand. So, sorry, wrong way. All right, so you put the towel on the top right there. I'm going to put water in here right now. Now, let's see if this stuff is really worth it. All right, so obviously you lift your top for your towel up. Take this up. You have your towel. We're going to pour some water in it. Okay, so how much water am I supposed to put? So it's expanding by itself, you guys. It's still expanding. The thing is, do you keep putting water until they expand to its max? All right, so it's not expanding no more. So let's see. All right, this is not bad. This is actually pretty cool. All right, so yep, that's it. Oh yeah, you do not, this is like a cloth. This is not like a paper towel. You guys, this is hard to rip. Now, obviously I'm not doing it. I'm just doing minimum force, but I can rip this. But if you need to do a little quick wipe down, this is cool. So why is the cup should be, in my opinion, this should be like, they should give you two pools. I'm thinking about water. They should give you two tubes and make this like more, in my opinion. So that way you don't have to keep running to your bag, because you will obviously have to keep this bag with you. This is just a storage to store only one. So yeah, but that's it. I got water on the table. I could do a quick wipe down on the table. If you're traveling, you can put some water on your towel, wipe wipe whatever you have to wipe. Maybe the kids spill something or something like that. Kids sporting event, they sweating. You can give them a little quick like wipe down on their face and stuff like that. It says reduce pore clogging and bacteria. Obviously, we can't prove that on this channel. It says it's chemical free. All right. I'll post all the pictures of the stuff that it does and everything. But in my opinion, you know, this is pretty cool. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. My wife is gonna be happy because she's gonna want to use this. Look at that. I needed to clean it. I needed to clean this spot a long time ago on this table. And what do you know? Now I have the tools to use it. All right, now that's clean. Now, you guys, once again, I think one of the main important things on here is don't flush this down your toilet. This do not dissolve. All right. This is not toilet paper. This is even stronger than regular paper towels. And the last do nots, it says, not a toy. Do not eat. It's a choking hazard, not for children under 3 years of age. And I will give you even better. This is just not for children at all. That's what they should say. It's not for children. But they say that because, you know, sometimes people will leave this around a child or a toddler and, you know, it's a choking hazard. So, yeah, we put our top back on. Put our tablet in, and that's it. We get ready for travel now. Travel, sporting events, whatever you got going on, you have a portable towel with you. All right. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.